What's going on, YouTube? It's Kevin from KTMusicGroup bringing you another reaction video. All right, this reaction request comes from Martin from Harlem, the Harlem Funkster. He wants me to react to some more Anderson .Paak and Bruno Mars as Silk Sonic performing on BET, live on BET, Soul Train Music Awards 2021. Name of the song is Fly As Me. First time hearing, never heard it before. This is the third time that I've heard a Silk Sonic record. I knew the first one, the one that I've done earlier. I don't know what that is. So that was my first time hearing it, and this will be my first time hearing Fly As Me. So without further ado, let's get into it. Y'all know what to do. Check out the merch, leave a reaction request, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our Smooth Jazz Funk reaction channel right here. All right, we're back. Without further ado, let's get into Soul Sonic performing Live As Me at the BET Soul Train Music Awards. And incidentally, Martin from Harlem, the Harlem Funkster, let me know that Bootsy Collins, Bootsy baby, gave Silk Sonic, gave Anderson .Paak and Bruno Mars the name Silk Sonic. All right, so let's get into it. They getting busy. Don't need a spatula, everything catered. Extra flavor. Go ahead, stick some truffle on your mashed potatoes. I'm trying to love. Is you gonna love me back? You only get what you give. Ain't you heard of that? Come on. Wait a minute, they got it. And if this ain't watching Soul Train, then I don't know what is. I mean, they got I saw the scramble board. Is that Anderson .Paak playing the drums? Or is that him on the mic? I can't tell. But anyway, man, they got the scramble board. Man, they got the logo. Shout out to Don Cornelius. You know, in my opinion, there ain't no Soul Train without Don Cornelius. Or I should say, there wouldn't be a Soul Train without Don Cornelius. Shout out to Don Cornelius. But this is, man, because Soul Train, I mean, the show is defunct. And now we got, and man, y'all making me love Silk Sonic now. Bringing back Soul Train? Come on, man. So much. I really don't, girl. I just want what's there. The Dancers? Look here, I'll bring that fire and desire. The 1970s? All you gotta do is meet me halfway down. I deserve to be with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. How I'm talking about? Silk Sonic smooth like a Mac, float like a butterfly on every single track. And the only language that I speak, girl, is back. So once I get this game to you, I can take it back. I done ran at you by my 1977 Monte Carlo. Hard act to follow. It's showtime. Trying to boo you up like it's the Apollo. You're all suspicious. Let's get down to business. You and me together. Woo. They got the Afro puffs. Come on. I don't ask for much. I really don't, girl. I just want what's there. They got the natural hair, the Afro puffs, the Afro, man. Oh man, hey, I would go on to say it. I love the natural hair. I love the natural hair. People can wear weaves if they want to. I ain't telling nobody what to wear, what they're doing. I love natural hair. And I'll just leave it at that. But man, y'all bring back some memories right here. My sisters Me and my sisters used to argue over when Soul Train was out. I'd rather watch Batman than Soul Train, and we get in an argument. And usually, I was the youngest, so my parents would let me get away watching Batman. I couldn't, I had to. Anyway, let's keep going. This ain't about that.
Look here. I'll bring that fire and desire, baby. All you gotta do is this. All you gotta do is meet me every day. I deserve to be with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. And you deserve to be seen with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. Now for real, I'm gonna need y'all to understand. Let's get it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'ma have a whole band of me spell it out. Yeah, if you don't know what we talking about, that's the session. Here's your lesson. Gonna spell it out. F-L-Y. You ain't never seen nobody this fly. It's like we back in school again. Now come on, children, I'm spelling it. F-L-Y. You ain't never seen nobody this fly. Get on gone. I deserve to be with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. And you deserve to be seen with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. Somebody this fly. Oh yeah. And I'm looking for somebody this fly. Hey, I want it all. Shit, Sonic, let me get the 3-piece and a biscuit.
Silk Sonic, they spell out the message board and everything. Man, hey, I'm a Silk Sonic fan now. What's there not to like? They got the performance, the big collars, the bell bottoms, man, the Soul Train, and the sound is old school, but it's modern at the same time. Maybe because of Bruno Mars and because of Anderson .Paak. And who was the rapper? I recognize that voice, but I ain't sure who it was. I think he used to be a solo rapper in the 90s. He sounded like he used to be a 90s rapper. Or he could have just been a member of the band, of the group. Man, Silk Sonic is getting busy. Somebody in the comments said they're going to see Silk Sonic this weekend, I think, in Vegas, live. I'll tell you, I don't know if they're coming to Cleveland. I'm like, I live an hour away from Cleveland. But if they come to Cleveland, I'm there. Because I know they're going to play Love Train. They're going to play Fly As Me. They going to get busy. They big and busy. Come on, man. What's there not to like? 10 out of 10. A+, 2 thumbs up. Y'all. Man, I'm a Silk Sonic. And I never paid attention to him before. You know what I'm saying? But that's the beauty of the internet. We don't hear sharing this music. And I never thought I'd find another group to like. You know what I mean? Something new. Because I'm old school. I go back and listen to my old stuff. Something new. But anyway, man, y'all, thank y'all for bringing Silk Sonic to my attention. Heard it from the Funkster first. I did UWE's request first, along with Harlem Funkster was also a part of that. Anyway, man, y'all keep getting busy. Y'all know what to do. Check out the merch. Leave a reaction request, man. I'm having too much fun, man. And as I always like to say, good music is in the ear of the beholder. Great music is timeless. Come on. Silk Sonic is timeless. That's a wrap. Till the next time, y'all take care. Y'all know what to do. Keep that funk coming. Keep that funk coming. Keep that Silk Sonic coming. Keep that Silk Sonic coming. Till the next time. Peace.